Hello students, welcome to N10 classes. Today we are going to have this part 2 for trigonometric identities. Here we are going to solve some numericals from exercise 8.4, that is from question number 5, third bit, 4th, 5th bit, 7th bit and 9th bit. Okay. In the following questions I will get you the part 3 and part 4. In part 3 we are going to have horse from reference books, and in part 4 NCERT exemplar questions. Okay. And students, if you want me to solve some specific questions related to trigonometric identities, then you can write it in the comment section or you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay. So without delay, let us start today's session. First of all, third bit of question number 5, that is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, that is equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, we are going to solve this. So this is in the form of tan theta and cot theta. Let us convert it into tan theta only. So what will we get here? Tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So let us take the reciprocal over here. So what can you get? Tan theta divided by tan theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Here you are getting 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Now let us see. This tan theta will be multiplied over here. So you are getting tan square theta divided by tan theta minus 1. Here you are getting 1 by tan theta. See, here you have 1 minus tan theta here, but you have tan theta minus 1 here. If you take a minus common here, you are getting here minus and here tan theta minus 1. Again, take the reciprocal, take the LCM. What will you get here? Here you will get tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Here tan theta and tan square theta will be multiplied. You will get tan cube theta minus. You will get over here 1. I have told you earlier, in these problems you have to use both algebraic identities and trigonometric identities. Here it is in the form a cube minus b cube, which is nothing but a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Now keep it in this form. What will you get here? A minus b tan theta minus 1, a square, that is tan square theta, ab, that is tan theta plus b square, that is 1. Here you are getting tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Now see here, this tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1 is cancelled out. Okay. So what will you get here? See, you have tan theta here, and 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but your sec square theta divided by tan theta. Okay. Now divide tan theta on both sides. What will you get? Tan theta divided by tan theta plus sec square theta divided by tan theta. Now let us convert it into sin theta and cos theta. So sec square theta you will get here 1 by cos square theta into 1 by tan theta. This tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Now this is cancelled out. You are getting 1. Cos theta, 1 cos theta will be cancelled out. You will get 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now see here. 1 plus 1 by cos theta is nothing but your sec theta, and 1 by sin theta is your cosec theta. Okay, which is nothing but your RHS here. Okay, so students, this problems may look difficult, but if you are going to solve it, you will ultimately get the answer, and if you are going to practice it, it will be easier. Okay, so let us solve this second question. That is b bit, fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1, that is equals to cosec A plus cot A. So this is the question. Now see here. On the right hand side, you have cosec A and cot A. So let us first of all convert these terms into cosec and cot. What is cosec? Is nothing but 1 by sine. And what is cot? This is cos by sine. So let us divide sine A on both numerator and denominator. So what will you get here? See, you are dividing sine A, cos divided by sine. So you are dividing sine over here and also over here. Cos by sine is your cot A. Sine by sine is your 1. It is minus 1. Plus 1 by sine A is your cosec A. Divided by cos A by sine A is your cot A again. Sine A by sine A is 1. 1 by sine A is cosec A. Okay, you have got this. Let us rearrange this. What will you get? Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A plus minus cosec A plus 1. Now students see here. If this part is in the numerator side, you have to split the 1 in the numerator part. If it is in the denominator part, as it is given in a question in the examples, you have to split the 1 in the denominator part. You have to split this one in terms of cot A and cosec A. Now see, cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1. So in place of 1 you can put that. So what will you get? Cot A plus cosec A minus, here in place of 1 put cosec square A minus cot square A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now see here. This is in the form of A square minus B square, that is nothing but your A plus B into A minus B. So write it, cot A plus cosec A minus A plus B cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Now students see here, this is cot A plus cosec A, this is also cot A plus cosec A. So you can take out common. What will you get here? Cot A plus cosec A, it is taken out common, 1 minus cosec A minus cot A. Now students here, this is cosec A plus cot A that you have already got here. That means you need to cancel these terms. Now let us see what you are getting here. This is 1 minus, it will be cosec A, 1 minus cosec A, minus minus it will be plus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now let's see here. This is plus cot A, this is plus cot A, minus cosec A, minus cosec A, this is plus 1, this is plus 1. So these are cancelled out. What is remaining? It is nothing but your cosec A plus cot A. That is nothing but your RHS proof. You have to remember this trick where to split this one in terms of cos or cot or whatever may be given. So let us go to the question number bit 7, that is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta. Now see here, what can be taken out common? Sin theta can be taken out common. You have 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, So here cos can be taken out common, cos theta, you have here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see your students, sin theta divided by cos theta is nothing but your tan theta, which is there in the RHS side. So you are left with 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we need to cancel it out, that so that this tan theta will be remaining. Okay. Now this 1 is nothing but your sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now put this sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by, you are getting here 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now see, tan theta into, so sin, this is cos square theta, right, is cos square theta, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta will give you minus sin square theta. Okay. Here you have 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now see what you are getting, tan theta whole into cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is your cos square theta minus sin square theta. So see here, these two terms are cancelled out. So what is remaining? That is nothing but your tan theta, that is your RHS. Proved. Let us go to the last question. Bit number 9. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A, that is 1 by tan A plus cot A. So this is the question that we need to solve. Now see here, we have cosec A, sin A, sec A and cos A. So they are different trigonometric ratios. So convert into simpler form, that is your sin theta and cos theta. Let us start from RHS. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So what will you get here? Now convert, this is cosec A is 1 by sin A minus sin A. This is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Take the LCMs on both the parts. What will you get? Here you will get sin A into 1 minus sin square A. Here you will get cos A and 1 minus, this is cos square A. Okay. Now put those identities. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus cos square A equals to sin square A. Now put the values. So here you have got cos square A divided by sin A. Here you have got sin square A divided by cos A. Now see here, this is being cancelled out. What you are getting? Cos A into sin A. And the same we need to find it from the RHS side. Let us go for the RHS. So this is LHS. From RHS side you have 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay. Again convert it into a simpler trigonometric ratio, that is sin and cos. 1 divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. This is sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Take here the LCM. What will you get? The LCM is cos A into sin A, and here you will get sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. Sin square A plus cos square is nothing but your 1. So what will you get here? 1 divided by cos A into sin A, that is nothing but your cos A into sin A. So both LHS and RHS are equal. So this is proved. So students, in the next video, as I have told you, I am going to solve some hot questions from reference books. So if you have any specific problems out of this, then you can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp number, or you can write it in the comment section. Okay, till then, thank you.